Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at using conversational AI agents to take up tier 1 technical support roles. So one of the biggest challenges with most support departments is the staff churn and getting people trained up, and when they're trained up they move on or leave, and then you go through the whole process again. So training up a conversational AI agent to do the same role, you alleviate the recruitment and the constant churn and the training and so forth. Once it's up and running, you can scale it to as many inbound calls as you like, and then the agents can defer to tier 2 humans as and when needed. So let's take a look. Hi, my name's Alan Blackmore. I'm the CEO of the online group. We're a digital agency that builds conversational AI solutions for specifically customer service applications and also marketing automation. So the jobs that businesses need done either at scale or after hours, or jobs that they don't have the people to do, we can build solutions to take that work on. So we take your knowledge base and product documentation, tech docs, PDFs, videos, training videos, previous support call recordings, and train an AI agent to pick up calls and process those customer requests. So it could be text-based, it could be voice-based, but once you have a well-trained AI agent, you can pretty much handle any inbound call volume. So typically we'd place AI agents in tier 1 support roles. So answering, a lot of questions that come in are generally the same thing over and over. You can simply refer people to documentation that they need to do a particular task or job, and then should things get a little bit more tricky and it's not within the knowledge of the AI agent, then you can simply escalate the call to a tier 2 human. Another advantage is that your tier 1 people that are good, you can promote, and the ones that are not so good will, as they eventually leave, you can just replace them with another AI agent instance until you have the whole thing as a pretty much well-oiled machine. It really reduces recruitment costs and training periods. So once the AI agent is trained, it's just there and ready to go whenever you need it. So how do we train conversational AI? The secret to great outcomes is all in the training. So out of the box, conversational AI agents generally have a API link to a large language model of some sort. So ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, name your favorite. And then what we do is take your knowledge base. So we take your, maybe you've got a wiki, or you've got a Gitbook repository, or you've got a website help section, whatever you have, we can feed that into the training model so your AI agent knows the basics. So then if you've got non-public documentation like training materials, PDFs, video training, call recordings that demonstrate a good outcome, then the AI can study and learn that and then replicate that conversation with fresh callers that come in with the same questions. The quality of the outcome is really down to the training and also the outcome prompting. So we tell the AI model what its job is, what the jobs to be done are, and then it will strive to achieve those outcomes no matter where the conversation goes. It can talk about pretty much anything, but it will always steer the conversation back to the outcome, whether that's booking an appointment, filling in a form, visiting a website, going to a checkout page, whatever it is you need done, we can tell the AI agent what it needs to achieve. So that's really conversational AI training in a nutshell. Give it lots and lots of relevant information, let it learn, tune the responses. So once we launch a project, we will then closely monitor, look at the responses, do some course correction if needed, so that the AI agent is bedded in and operating at peak performance. So the real power behind the conversational AI agents is the ability to integrate with other systems. So you can, for voice AI, for instance, you can integrate with a phone system, so the agents can take calls. Then, depending on the responses from the caller, they can transfer to different departments. They could take a message. They could book an appointment with a sales agent, for instance. They could transfer to a different conversational AI agent. So you might want to have one fully trained up on accounts receivable with an API hook into your accounting system, so the AI agent can look up and answer accounts queries. So the AI agents can also do live call transfers. So as a caller comes in, says I need to speak to X, then the agent can transfer to that person. Both the text and the voice AI can hook into pretty much any system that has an API access available. So if you have, maybe HubSpot or Salesforce or another CRM, you can send information backwards and forwards. You can query information, bring it back to the conversation that's taking place, or you can push information into your CRM or your calendar. So with the API integrations, we can talk to systems like Zapier, which in turn then talks to thousands of different applications. So we could push information into a spreadsheet, we could switch on an air conditioner, we can do all sorts of different things. It really is, the sky's the limit. So you just need to work out what needs to happen, and we can generally get an AI agent to complete that task. So that's pretty much it for conversational AI agents for Tier 1 support. If you've got a support desk, customer service desk, and you want to automate some of that to take the load off your people and handle queries consistently and at scale, then please get in touch. Visit our website. There's a book a call button. You can have a chat with me, or you can follow a link in the description below. Thanks for watching.